Then, the Israelites in Egypt. Remember, before they escaped Egypt, they were there in Egypt? Okay. The Israelites in Egypt had sunk to the lowest levels of idolatry and impurity. Outwardly, they were indistinguishable from their Egyptian neighbors. Meaning, the Muslims of that time were living under a dominant superpower, and they started accepting the culture of that superpower. So they looked more like their rulers. They started copying them in everything that they do. To the point, according to the Midrash, even the angels were unable to distinguish between the two nations. Now that sounds funny until you look at the Muslim behavior and how much we copy colonizing nations in our behavior. That sounds like, the Israelites, and then you look, oh, wait. They questioned God's decision to rescue the Israelites at the Red Sea. According to them, the angels, when they were being commanded to open up the sea, and that the angels were like, Ya Allah, why are we doing this? Like, they're not that different. Protesting. The angels protested according to them. Both the Egyptians and the Israelites are idol worshipers. Well, they worship idols. But as with the donkey, listen to this part. Now we get to the donkey. As with the donkey, the impurity of the Jewish people was only on the surface, hiding a great inner holiness. So they believed that the donkey is impure on the outside, but pure on the inside. The donkey was and there's many other examples.